Hi, my name is Cedric Hassenfratz. I'm the North American Sales and Partnership Manager, and I'm at the global headquarters of ZOLLER in our Academy Smart Factory, and I have the pleasure to present to you today our twister. So here we have our standard database, as usual, the Z1, with very simple widgets and features that you can use to get our twister going and use it. What's really exciting about the product is it's very compact, but it has a ton more of space. So whatever your needs are, if it's for tooling, inserts, even if you have gloves, safety glasses, it'll do the job. It's an opportunity to really get as much as you can. We're looking at insert packs, probably up to over 3,000 components to be stored in this single unit. So let's jump in the software piece, our tool management solutions. Nothing changes there, which is the exciting news. So you can just activate with a single click the actual cabinet, or you can simply pick the inserts that you need or any type of accessories that is now in the twister, and just pick the item itself and can just check it out right from here. Now right here, when I check this out, pay close attention that we now have a actual lift system. So no longer the item is going to just drop on the bottom. It will pick it up, bring it down, and no damaged inserts or other accessories that you may have in this twister. And I just have to click OK now. If I want to print out, so I have something to take with me, so hit X, and now withdrawal is running. Now you're going to see in just a second how the actual lift is now going up, picking the item, bring it all back down to me. So now I can go and grab the item. So just push, grab the item. So I'm going to open this up quick because that way you have a really nice idea on how this all works. So here is the key. It's very simple. With no force, you can open the door. There's the light that lights everything up. So if you were to restock or put new items in, it's nice and bright to see. And now we're going to go in the really exciting part, as it is nicely lighted up for you now, is we have two different configurations as I mentioned before. But within the configuration now, here's the greatest feature, because we can actually make some of those rows more narrow. We can make it wider. So depending, when you look at those insert packs, some are a little wider, some are bigger, and some are smaller. So you can really navigate through specific sizes, and you can pack a ton. Again, it's thousands of components that you can actually store here. We have many in a row. They're not even spaced out. Ability with this is we have a little sensor on the lift. So once one item drops, it will recognize it. So you don't have to be afraid because you stock them here back to back, right next to each other. It will just really recognize immediately there's one item already on the lift with the sensor, and that's it. And that allows you to really put as many micro drills as an example in here as you want to. Same up here. If you wanted to put those gloves that I showed you before, you can just simply take one of those specific items here, the separation items, out and fit those gloves right in there. This was a quick overview on our new product, the twister. I hope you learned something and saw all the benefits on our efficient new product line. And please visit zoller.info to find out more.